What's up, guys? So I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm in the TL right now and I'm on my way to the muffler shop. So we're gonna do a little bit more exhaust work on it, the work that we've been wanting to get done. We finally got everything. We got the Black Widow muffler, we got the dual tips, like the Type S style tips to fit on the Type S rear bumper. And I have a wide pipe that came off of my truck, so we're gonna see if we can use that one, since we gotta do like 2 outlet and the muffler's only 1 outlet. It's like they had the option for like a single inlet dual outlet, but I didn't think it was gonna fit. But yeah, so I'm really hoping it sounds a lot better, because right now, I mean, not that it sounds bad, but like, you know, it's very drony in here. So I'm hoping with the exhaust all the way to the back and with the muffler, it'll sound a lot better. And then we are planning on doing the cat deletes, like the front ones, since it has 3. We already have a 3rd one deleted. She wants to do the other 2. So I think once we do that, it's gonna sound real clean. But yeah, we're headed to the muffler shop right now, and we're gonna see how it works, or how it sounds. Only thing that sucks is that I'm just dropping the car off. I'm not able to stay there, so I'm not gonna be able to do no cinematic or show like too much underneath, you know. But it's okay. I already did a cinematic at the exhaust shop like twice. But yeah, so I'm gonna drop it off and I'll pick it up later. Alright, so here's the tips. Well, we just pulled up to the muffler shop, but here's the tips, here's the muffler. That's the white pipe I'm talking about. So we're gonna go talk to them real quick. Alright guys, so here's the product. We just can't pick it up. I haven't even got the keys yet, but they look clean. Looks different too. Sheesh. I'm gonna go get the keys, pay the guy, and see how it sounds. Alright, so this is the setup. My girl hasn't even seen it yet, since I came and dropped it off for her. We're on a race wars crunch time. It's Thursday now. The race wars is Saturday, and we're still in the middle of wrapping the car, so we got to get this car, the Charger, ready for Saturday. But this one's pretty much ready, besides the lip. I think I'll put the lip in the same video too, but I'll show you guys her reaction later. How do you feel about the exhaust?
I really like the exhaust tips, but I wish my car was louder.
Well, we did the Black Widow muffler, so it has the resonator, the muffler, and it has the 2 cats. So the idea behind it is once we do the pre-cat delete, which is the 2 front cats, it's not going to be obnoxiously loud. It's going to have the resonator, the dynomax resonator, and the Black Widow muffler. But for now, it sounds good and it looks good. She thinks it sounds quiet.
It does sound quiet.
She wants it hella loud. And then
I want it hella loud, but I want it louder.
It sounds good. But also, besides that, we also put on the lip. We got the Aspec lip on it. And we wrapped it, color matched it. So she didn't know how she felt about it at first, but now that it's matched,
It looks good.
yeah, she likes it better now. Yeah, gotta pick her sometimes.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm sorry this video is all over the place. You know, it started off at the muffler shop and everything. Now we're at Race Horse. But I just needed to finish it because I never got to get her like input on how she liked it. Alright guys, so we never recorded like a driving clip of the exhaust. So right now We're in the parking garage. We're gonna do a little driving clip. It's gonna be a little bit more echoey in here, but you guys will get the picture. All right, there you go. Got a lot better lighting right now. So let's hit y'all with a cinematic real quick. We're gonna give you guys a little sound clip right now. Go. Sounds good. Where's the exhaust? The back? All right, y'all, so now we're gonna finish off this video of the exhaust. You like it or you not like it?
Yeah, I like it. Look at my picture. So cute.
You're not even showing it.
Oh, me and my best friend.
Go follow her Instagram at 6speed UA6. So
6speed _6.
we'll write it down. Alright, do an outro, do an outro.
I don't know how to do outros.
I'll catch y'all on the next one.
I won't catch you guys on the next one. Bye, everybody. Have a good night.
There you go.